Titiro, look, here comes Tamanuitera. Morena, Mr. Sun. Morena, Papa Rako. Kia ora, my name is Koka. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patsupaerehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro tribe.
Goes Kiriru flying past.
Kia ora. What are you all up to?
Kia ora, Koka. We're just here dreaming.
Ooh, dreaming about what?
Dreaming about flying. You need Pariro wings to fly, and you don't have any. Neither does Moa, and Kiwi's Pariro are too small. I've got an idea. Let's hanga make some wings. Can we really hanga make wings? Yes, we can. What a great idea, all. Let's mahi tahi. Work together to hanga make pariro. Do we need to make pariro, Koka?
Maybe some harakeke, some toitoi, and a tie of some sort will help.
Ooh, let's make the ties from harakeke. I don't think we need that, Moa. It's too heavy.
Let's thank Moa. He wants to help.
You're all good, Moa. Thank you for helping.
Have you collected all the things you need to make pariro?
Aye, Koka.
Well done. When you've made your wings, see if Papa Rako knows where you might try your wings out.
Thank you, Koka.
Tamariki mā, noho mai, ki aku kakiaka, wakarongo mai, ki ngā kōrero, o te ao marama. Aune. Kia ora, Tākaro tribe. Kia ora e Moa, kia ora e Kiwi. What are you up to today?
We worked together today to make pariro for myself, Kiwi and Moa.
Why do you want to fly, or?
We watched Kiriru and now we want to fly as well. That's right. So we decided to work together, mahi-tahi, to make them wings. They're done.
I see. So you don't need my help today.
Yes, we do, Papa Rako. We're looking for a place to try the wings out. Where will we find the best hill, Paparako?
There are plenty hills in the forest. If there's no wind, you won't fly.
Thank you, Paparako. Let's climb to where the wind is. E te wānui e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne māhuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie, huie, taiki e. It's the letter H.
There you are, your first clue. Off you go.
Bye, Paparako. Ka kite. Aha ka mana para tawana pa. E heke mene pere te wenepe. I hiki mini piri tiwini pi. O hoko mono poro tawana po. A e I o u. Uhuku mene piri tuwini fu. Ooh, this looks like a good place to try out the wings. A really good place, Or. Are you all ready? You go first, Kiwi. Jump higher, Kiwi! You have a go, Moa. You've got long legs. You can jump higher. Your turn, Or. No, I can't do it. We've climbed this hill for nothing.
Don't be pody, Or. Don't forget the Ngāhere sent you some help.
That's right. What letters do we have in the kete, ah?
Can you read what it says?
H, A, N, A, Ha, Nga, Hanga. Hanga! Yay!
Tā rawe. Hanga. Maybe you need to hanga, make something else.
Yes, that's a big help. Korka's right. What sort of help is that? We've already made you wings, and you're all still walking. No, that's another big help from the Ngāhere. You'll see.
What are you doing now, Tākaro tribe?
Now we've made this kite. Come on, Kiwi. Kiwi might get taken away by the wind and never come back.
Well, well, Kiwi. Because Tākaro tribe, the forest and the wind worked together, you've managed to fly today. You just might be the very first Kiwi to fly.
Yay! Kiwi can fly!
Well done, Tākaro tribe. You all saw Kiwi fly. Let's look at some other things that fly.
Wakarerangi! Manu! Hoi hau kawe. Wakatopa-topa. Purerehua.
Time for you all to visit Korka.
busy day you've had, Tākaro Tribe. Shall we look at the things you did? After watching birds fly, O, Kiwi and Moa wanted to fly too. You followed the leaves up a hill and learned to spell the word hanga. H-A-N-G-A. Hanga. Then O made a kite from the pariro and Kiwi was able to fly. How do you all feel now?
We feel harikwa, happy.
What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pōmarie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Pōmarie.
Horoia tō mata, parai he hia o niho, kuhuna o kakamoe pōmarie, e kuhu ki te moenga, takoto iho ki raro, e pai ai o moe moea. Kia au tō moe, e pai ai o moe moea. E pai ai o moe moea.
Pōmarie. Good night.
He mea